Hey, how you doing? Martin for theblueslab.com. Thanks to be here to like and subscribe. A really simple exercise, but I find it's really useful if you want to improve the connection of the 5 boxes of the minor pentatonic scale. Remember, I have a special lesson here on my YouTube channel and also on my Patreon channel where I show you my method to connect everything. It's a simple and really visual method. You can find in the description of this video the links to my YouTube channel and also to my Patreon page, with that specific information. Let's work today in the key of G, a G7 or a G minor. Because we're going to play minor pentatonic scale, so it's going to match better if we play minor pentatonic scale with minor chords. So for example, we are in G minor. I will play this. This is my box 5. So I will play this. Really simple, This is not about complexity of the phrase, it's more to be able to move the same idea, So box 5, box 1. Box 2. Box 3. Amazing, Box 4. Finish here. I could repeat box 5 again. Box 1. Box 2. As you can see, we follow an order, remember to visit the lesson, about connecting the pentatonic scale, I did. It's been a while, and it's to me, it's one of the light bulbs, in order to put together, if you want to put together the 5 boxes, So, you need to understand when you do this exercise over which box you are, box 5, box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. And if you want to go just a little few more steps, you can think in the notes you are playing or the intervals, flat 7th, root, the 3rd, the 4th, the flat 3rd, and I finish in my root. So okay, this is G, this is G, this is G, this is G, this is G again. So in a second level, this is a good exercise to know better your notes on the fretboard, G, 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 so let's move and let's play something with these 2 strings, It's open, open string. I just put my index here to show you the box, Box 5, okay, box 1. Box 2. Amazing, Box 3. Here in box 3 we have that little offset, Box 4. Right, we could restart in box 5. have a second example, you know, of a short and really easy phrase we can move. Yeah, you will find and you will see a lot of undercover things. Yeah, you can, oh, okay, that works like that. Okay, you know, light bulbs moments. Yeah, and then we have one more string, which is this one. I'm not going to match this string with the last one, with string number 1, because we already used string number 1 here. It's the same, you know. So let's play this phrase using these 2 notes plus the blue note. Yeah, I finish in D. D note is the 5th of my G minor, right? The chord in the backing track. Great. Box 5, box 1. Amazing. Box 2, box 3. Here in box 3 I have the same open string, yeah, open E, so whatever happened in the 6th string, I can replicate it in string number 1 and vice versa, yeah. Box 4. Great. We can go practice to both sides, yeah, both areas of the fretboard, yeah. So that's an amazing exercise, you know. Then what you can do, next step would be combination of these areas, you know. So I could do you know, so and move that phrase a little more complicated all around the fretboard. But let's start from something easy and useful, you know, because these simple things are really useful, you know, if you play it in the right place with the right timing. Yeah. So that's it. This example is in the key of G. Of course, you can do it in different keys, which is not a big difference, you know, the boxes are the same, but that could help you to understand better the fretboard. Thanks for your support. To like and subscribe this video, and see you in the next lesson.